Hello to everyone. In this session, we will discuss miscellaneous examples and also some exercise problems from the chapter Limits and Derivatives. See, in front of you, you have miscellaneous exercise screenshot having those questions. Okay, you can take the screenshot. Otherwise, if you have textbooks, you can copy those. From that miscellaneous exercise and examples, we will solve some of the examples. Okay, only some. If you have any doubts regarding any another questions, you can ask me through WhatsApp or through email. Okay, let us start the session with miscellaneous examples of limits and derivatives. Okay, very important question of the chapter. There is a example number 22. Find the derivative of x power 5 minus cos x by sin x is one question, and the one is x plus cos x by tan x is another question. So you need to find the derivative. While finding the derivative, they did not mention by using first principle. Okay, so we can do however we want. See, here we won't use first principle method, it will become very complicated. So that's why we will use by using u by v rule. As these questions are in the form of p by q, nothing but the numerator one function, denominator another function, u by v formula you will apply. See, in class 11 limits and derivatives, if you can remember the formulas, okay, derivative formulas, and then uv rule, how to apply uv rule, and then how to apply u by v rule, okay, you can do almost all the problems in that derivatives part. Okay, now let us start with the first question. So as usual, let f of x is equal to x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. Okay, here we know that d by dx of u by v, d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Okay, vu dash minus uv dash by v square. See, from this given function, let us consider u is equal to x power 5 minus cos x, v is equal to sin x. Okay, now from this u and v, we will find u dash and v dash. U dash and v dash are nothing but d by dx of u. U dash is nothing but d by dx of u. Nothing but derivative we need to apply for this. X power 5 derivative is 5x power 4 minus cos x derivative is minus sin x. Okay, it will become 5x power 4 plus sin x is u dash. Now what about v dash? V dash is d by dx of v. Okay, what is d by dx of v? V is nothing but sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Now in this formula we will substitute all these functions. Okay, now here f dash of x, if you apply differentiate for this, f dash of x is equal to, in this forms we will substitute directly. What is v? V is cos x. Okay, sorry, v is sin x into u dash. What is u dash? U dash is 5x power 4 plus sin x minus u into, what is u? X power 5 minus cos x into v dash. What is v dash? V dash is cos x whole divided by v square. What is v square? V square is sin square x. Now you simplify this. This is 5x power 4 sin x plus sin x into sin x is sin square x minus x power 5 cos x minus into minus plus cos square x whole divided by sin square x. Now further if you simplify, you will get sin square x plus cos square x, that value is equal to 1. Okay, then 1 plus 5x power 4 sin x minus x power 5 cos x divided by sin square x. Okay, no need further simplification. If you leave like that, it will be enough. Why? Because they are asking derivative of this function. Okay, this is about first one. Next, second question. That second question you consider, let g of x is equal to x plus cos x by tan x. Okay, now here also similar to this first example, x plus cos x you consider as u, x plus cos x, and again v you consider as tan x. Then if you apply derivatives to this, u dash will become, okay, u dash will become derivative of x is 1 plus cos x derivative is minus sin x. Similarly, if v is equal to tan x, derivative of tan x, v is equal to secant square x. Now we'll substitute those values here. We know that d by dx of u by v is equal to v dash minus uv dash by v square. So nothing but g by g dash of x is equal to, substitute all those values. V is nothing but tan x into u dash means derivative of this, 1 minus sin x minus u means x plus cos x into v dash means this one, which is secant square x divided by v square andre tan square x. Now we simplify further. Tan x into 1 is, okay, tan x minus sin x into tan x, and again minus x into secant, this is x secant square x, minus into plus minus cosecant x, cos x into secant square x, cos x into secant square x we can write as cos x as 1 by secant, so it will become secant x whole divided by tan square x. Okay, this is the derivative of x plus cos x by tan x. Okay, so u by v rule also very easy, guys. First you consider numerator as u, denominator as v for any type of these type of problems. You find u dash and again v dash, substitute in this formula. Okay, very simple. This is a very important example. Next we will go to miscellaneous exercise part. From this exercise, first question, if you observe, find the derivative of the following functions from first principle. Okay, first principle andre nimge gottu, for that formula f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. E formula use ಮಾಡಿ we need to find the derivative, not by using direct formulas. Okay, now in that I will select any two questions and I will tell remaining two questions you solve. Still if you have any doubts regarding that you can ask. So for first question I will consider, okay, consider f of x is equal to minus x for this first question. First one minus x, second one minus x whole to the power of minus 1, minus x whole to the power of minus 1 andre minus 1 by x anta. Okay, next sin of x plus 1 cos of x minus pi by 8. So first I am doing a first question. Next one, so directly solve. F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h, f of x plus h. So ಈ x plus h ಈ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ x plus h, okay, ಮೈನಸ್ f of x ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ h. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ h ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಮೈನಸ್ h, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x ಬೈ h. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, limit h tends to 0 minus h by h, which is equal to minus 1. So we know that actually derivative of minus x is minus 1, but we need to prove by using first principle. Okay, this is the method. Next, fourth question I will consider. Remaining the second and third you solve. If you get any doubt you can ask. So consider f of x is equal to cos of x minus pi by 8. Okay, now we will substitute in this formula. F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h, f of x plus h ಅಂದ್ರೆ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x plus h substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. cos of x plus h minus pi by 8 minus f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ given function cos of x minus pi by 8 divided by h. Okay, if you observe, this is in the form of, numerator is in the form of cos a minus cos b. Cos a minus cos b is minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. First a plus b by 2, a plus andre x plus h minus pi by 8 plus x minus pi by 8 divided by 2 into x a minus b by 2. a minus andre x minus x cancel, h ಇರುತ್ತೆ, minus pi by 8 minus of minus, it will become plus. So only h by 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ cos a minus cos b ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. a minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus pi by 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ h by 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, whole divided by h. Now limit h tends to 0. Now this 2 will be there, na? That 2 I am bringing to this denominator. It will become h by 2. Okay. Now when comes to this part, x plus x is 2x, and again plus h minus pi by 8 minus pi by 8. Okay, minus pi by 8 minus pi by 8. Quarter plus quarter is off now. So minus pi by 4 whole divided by 2 into sine h by 2. Now when limit h tends to 0, we can also write h by 2 tends to 0. In this case, this will become 1. Okay, this is according to Sandwich theorem. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value is equal to 1. So similarly, limit h by 2 tends to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 8 is also equal to 1. So when it is eliminated, so remaining term is limit h tends to 0 minus sin 2x plus h minus pi by 4 divided by 2. Only this term will be there. Now as h is tends to 0, h value is 0 markole. So then it will become minus sin of, okay, 2x minus pi by 4. LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 2s 8x minus pi divided by 8. Okay, now if you simplify this, you will get minus sin of 8x by 8 and x minus pi by 8. Okay, this is the derivative of cos of x minus pi by 8. See, without doing this, if they ask just find the derivative, means directly you'll write cos derivative minus sin. Okay, cos derivative minus sin. Here x derivative 1. So directly we can write minus sin of x minus pi by 8. But in this problem they are asking through first principle. Okay, this is the method how we need to solve. Hope you understood. Next, remaining second and third, please try to do. Next, question number 5 from the miscellaneous exercise. This is also from miscellaneous exercise only. Question number 5. Nothing but we need to find the derivative. So here also let f of x is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. See, almost in this exercise you will have u v rules and u by v rules only. Based on that only we need to solve. But I am considered only some few 6 problems. Remaining questions you need to solve. If any doubts you ask, please, no problem. So as like numerator you consider as u. Okay, u as ax plus b. Okay, v as cx plus d. If you differentiate with respect to x, what you will get? U dash is equal to ax derivative a plus b derivative 0, and again v dash, this is c. Okay, now we know that d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Now we substitute directly what is v, what is u. Okay, v is cx plus d into u dash andre a minus ax plus b into v dash andre c whole divided by v square andre cx plus d whole square. ಇದು further simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು cax plus ad minus axc minus bc divided by cx plus d whole square. See here cx ax, this is will be cancelled. So final answer is ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. And again, why I consider this question, okay, is, so this is a general question, ax plus b by cx plus d. That formula is ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. For example, if they given any question like in CET or anywhere, for example, if they given question like 2x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 4. Okay, find the derivative of this. You need to remember this formula. Whenever ax plus b by cx plus d is in that form, ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Directly you need to write like that. No need to find u dash, v dash and v square. Okay, directly write. So its derivative. Okay, its derivative. Denominator will be 5x plus 4 whole square. So this is a, b, c, d. Okay, formula is ad minus bc. Andre 2 4s 8 minus 3 5s 15. Okay, 8 minus 15, it will become minus 7 by 5x plus 4 whole square. Okay, directly you can write like that if you remember this shortcut. Okay, next question. 1 plus 1 by x divided by 1 minus 1 by x. See, first of all you simplify this question. LCM tagoli, numerator x agutte. So numerator will become x plus 1. Again in this denominator also denominator is x, so x minus 1. These two cancel. X plus 1 by x minus 1. So idu function according to this after simplification. Now for this we need to find derivative. So as usual we know that you consider as x plus 1, v you consider as x minus 1. Okay, after differentiating with respect to x ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, u ಅಂದರೆ u dash we will write x plus 1 derivative 1, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ x derivative 1 1 derivative 0. v dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x derivative 1 minus 1 derivative 0. ಓಕೆ, u dash v dash 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನದು, we know that d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Nothing but here d by dx of u by v ಅಂದ್ರೆ derivative of this ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, f dash of x which is equal to, ಇವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ vu dash minus uv dash. v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, x minus 1 into u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, u ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus 1 into derivative of v, nothing but v dash is also 1 divided by v square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus 1 whole square. ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 minus x plus 1 into 1 is minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. X cancel, minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is the derivative of 1 plus 1 by x by 1 minus 1 by x. And again another thing, x plus 1 by x minus 1, whenever you see in next year onwards, whenever you see x plus 1 by x minus 1, its derivative will be directly minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, you can remember this. Next question number 16. Cos x by 1 plus sin x. Again this you consider as f of x, guys. See, as usual consider u equal to cos x, v equal to 1 plus sin x. Derivative of this u dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos x the minus sin x, v dash derivative of 1 is 0 but derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, directly substitute. Then f dash of x. Okay, after differentiating with respect to x, what happens, f dash of x will become, formula is vu dash minus uv dash. vu dash andre 1 plus sin x into minus sin x minus uv dash. You need to remember the formula vu dash minus uv dash by v square. u andre ಏನು, cos x into v dash andre again cos x divided by v square andre 1 plus sin x whole square. So it will be 1 into minus sin x is minus sin x, plus into minus is minus sin square x, this is minus cos square x whole divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. So if you leave like this also no problem, otherwise you take minus sin x and again minus common from this. Okay, minus common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin square x plus cos square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. So ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1. Okay, ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1. Then if you take minus common from this, so ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by sin x plus 1 whole square. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, this term square cancel, so minus 1 by 1 plus sin x is that answer. Okay, understood? Okay, u by v rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. v into derivative of cos x minus sin x minus u into derivative of this cos x. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 into minus sin x sin x into minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos x into cos x is cos square x. ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ sin square x plus cos square x which is equal to 1, ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin x minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ minus 1 by 1 plus sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next question, 20th question. a plus b sin x divided by c plus d cos x. Okay, same as usual, u equal to a plus b sin x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, v is equal to c plus d cos x. So after differentiating with respect to x, okay, u ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ u dash ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, a derivative 0, okay, a b c d ಈ ತರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. a 0 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ derivative 0, b into sin x derivative cos x, v dash is equal to c derivative 0, d into cos x derivative minus sin x. Okay, now ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. we know that d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ f dash of x is equal to v into u dash. what is v? c plus d cos x into u dash. u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ b cos x minus u ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b sin x into v dash. what is v dash? minus d into sin x whole divided by v square. v square ಅಂದ್ರೆ c plus d cos x whole square. Okay, this is how you need to apply those values, those v u dash, u v dash and v square. After that you need to simplify. That is a very smallest thing for you. c into b, this is bc cos x plus d cos square x multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus into minus plus ad sin x. Okay, minus into plus minus, minus into minus again, plus bd sin square x whole divided by c plus d cos x whole square. See, if it can be simplified, you can simplify, otherwise you leave it like that. Okay, this is the derivative of this question. Hope you are maintaining the notes. Why? Because I am telling this is will be useful for second year also. Next question, last 4 questions. x power 4 into 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. See, first of all ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ given functions f of x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 3 cos x. okay, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 5 ಅಂದರೆ 5x ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3x ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ತುಂಬ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐದರ್ ಯು ಬೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us find that differentiate with respect to x. okay, f of x will become f dash of x into, as 5 is constant and when it is in multiplying, if it is in addition or subtraction, constant derivative 0, but when it is in multiplication, that you consider separately 5 into, ಇವಾಗ x power 4 into sin x, ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಂಟು ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ? ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಇದು ಯು, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಏನು 4x cube minus 3 into, again for this also same rule, two functions are there, so u into v dash plus v into u dash. u andre eno x power 4 derivative of cos x minus sin x plus v, what is v? Cos x into u dash andre derivative of x power 4 4x cube. Okay, understood? Now you simplify this. This is 5x power 4 cos x, 5 4s are 20x cube sin x minus into minus plus 3x power 4 sin x and again minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12x cube cos x. Okay, if it can be further simplified, you can simplify, otherwise you can leave it like that. Otherwise you take sin x common. If you take sin x common from this, you will get 20x cube plus 3x power 4 plus cos x. If you take common means it will become 5x power 4 minus 12x cube. Okay, now you can leave it like this. Okay, hope you understood how to do UV rule. U into derivative of second function, nothing but first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. After that we need to multiply with that given constant. Next question, x square into cos pi by 4 divided by sin x. Okay, ಇದು u by v rule ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, cos pi by 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ we need to substitute. So it will become x square into cos pi by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 2. So x square by root 2 divided by sin x. This one we can write it as x square by root 2 sin x. Okay. So ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ we need to write that value. So ಇವಾಗ from this question what is u ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x square, v ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root 2 sin x. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು sin x ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ cos x. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ sin x derivative cos x. Now you got u, v and again u dash and v dash. Now you substitute in that formula, d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. See, why I am writing the formula for every question is so that the number of times if you write means we can remember very easily. Next, d by dx of u by v is nothing but f dash of x, which is equal to, now you substitute those values directly, root 2 sin x into u dash andre 2x minus u andre x square into v dash andre root 2 cos x divided by v square andre denominator whole square andre it is sin square x. Now ivaga multiply ಮಾಡಿ, this is 2 root 2 x sin x minus root 2 x square cos x whole divided by sin square x. Okay, that's it. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಯು ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ question number 28. This is also in the terms of u by v rule only. See, as I am doing continuously u by v rule problems, this problem I will do fastly, nothing but directly I will do. U is equal to x, v is equal to 1 plus tan x. u dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, v dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 derivative 0, tan x derivative secant square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ f dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, as if we consider this as f of x, f dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ vu dash minus uv dash by v square, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು u by v rule ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಈ ತರ vu dash minus uv dash, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ vu dash minus uv dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus tan x into 1 minus x into secant square x whole divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus tan x into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus tan x minus x secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್, x plus secant x into x minus secant x. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು f of x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ f of x ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, x into x, x square minus x into tan x minus x tan x plus secant x into x is x secant x plus secant x into minus tan x is minus secant x tan x. So this is very important formula for you. Why? Because in this whole expression, here you have uv rule, here you have uv rule, and again here also you have u by v rule. Okay, first of all see this secant x into tan x. Okay, secant x into tan x, here x into tan x, here x into secant x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, f of x will become f dash of x. See, observe clearly guys this question. x square derivative ಏನು 2x ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಯು ಇದು ವಿ. ಯು ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಯು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್, x into tan x derivate ಏನು secant square x plus v ಅಂದರೆ tan x into derivate of x ಏನು 1 ಓಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು u ಇದು v ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. u into v dash x into secant x derivative secant x into tan x plus secant x into derivative of x 1 ಇದು ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು u ಇದು v ಆರ್ ಇದು u ಇದು v ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ secant x into derivative of tan x ಏನು secant square x plus tan x into derivative of secant x ಏನು secant x into tan x. ಇದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 2x minus x secant square x, okay, minus into plus, this is minus tan x, this is plus x secant x tan x, okay, plus secant x minus secant x into secant square, nothing but secant cube x, minus into plus minus tan square x into secant x. Okay, if you can simplify you can, otherwise leave it like this. Okay, this is the derivative of this. See, one function alli ee tara uv rule idre no need to worry separately for this uv rule, for this uv rule and for this uv rule. So I will as in the starting of the video you can see the exercise, the miscellaneous exercise questions. So those remaining unsolved problems that you solve and practice. Okay, as I am telling, as first piece is over, but those type of questions solving is very important, okay, for a second year differentiation. Otherwise otherwise now I will send the soft copy of the miscellaneous exercise questions. Those also you can solve and practice. If you get any doubts you can ask, no problem. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.